What's going on, everyone? Got another reset for you. Today we're doing the WIKO VOIX. If I'm saying that right, I think I am. But if you have one of these and you have a pattern or a password that you're not sure what it is or don't remember and have to do a hard reset, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. First thing you got to do is turn off the phone so you have your volume up and volume down and your power button right there. So let's turn it off. Hit the power button and turn it off. Just remember, when you do a hard reset, you will delete all the data off the phone. So if you got anything important on here, it's going to get deleted. So just keep that in mind. And for this reset, what we need to do is we need to hold the volume up and power button at the same time. I'll do it from this angle so you guys can see it a little better. I'm going to start by holding the volume up and then hit the power button. And then once the phone turns on, you can let go of power, but just keep holding volume up. There it goes. And then it brings up this reset menu here where the volume up is, navigating, and volume down is select. So I'm going to hit the volume button and we want to get to recovery mode. Hit volume down to confirm. If there's a reset you guys are having trouble with, just drop a comment. Let me know what you guys are trying to do, and I'll try to get that up for you. Once it gets to this screen, you want to hit power and volume up at the same time. This is the no command screen, and that will get you into your reset menu. I just honestly just hold power and then tap volume up, and it'll bring up the reset menu. And this one's pretty simple. We want to wipe data factory reset. Yes, your volume button's navigate, the power button is to select. Then we'll scroll down again to factory data reset, hit enter again, and then boom. It's reset. That was a quick reset, and we'll reboot the system now, so we'll hit enter again. So if you guys found this helpful, I'd appreciate a like, comment, subscribe, anything you guys can do to help me out. I'd appreciate it. Otherwise, talk to you soon.